Hold on. Before you scroll past this video, I want you to do something. Think about the last time you felt that something wasn't quite right in your relationship. Not a major fight, not some explosive argument, just that quiet feeling that the woman you cared about was slowly becoming someone you didn't recognize anymore. And every time you tried to bring it up, somehow the conversation ended with you being blamed. If you've ever experienced that, stay with me. Because what I'm about to show you over the next few minutes could save you from years of uncertainty, self-questioning, and silent heartbreak. In this video, we're going to break down 4 specific lies, or more accurately, 4 psychological patterns that many women use before emotionally checking out of a relationship. And I'll show you how to recognize them, not through what she says, but through what she actually does. Now let me be clear, this isn't about hating women. It isn't about becoming paranoid. It's about gaining clarity, because the men who get blindsided the most aren't weak men. They're good men, men who trusted, men who believed, men who gave their all, and that's exactly why they never saw it coming. But here's something I want you to remember all the way through this video. There is one rule that can protect you from every single one of these 4 lies. Just one. Not 2, not 10. 1. And before this video is over, I'll give it to you. But first, you need to understand the lies themselves. I'm a psychologist and relationship coach, and over the years I've sat across from countless men, good men, successful men, who came to me completely broken. Not because they were controlling, not because they were terrible partners, but because they failed to recognize the pattern. And the painful part? Every one of them eventually said the same thing. The signs were there. I just didn't know what I was looking at. Men, that's exactly why this channel exists. So if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button right now, because every week I share content that most people are too afraid to say openly. And if you've already been part of this community, then you already know what we're about. Now let's get into these lies. Before we break down each one, there's something important you need to understand. These 4 lies don't appear randomly. They follow a pattern. They arrive in a sequence. At first, they're subtle, almost harmless. Then they gradually build on one another until the man in the relationship becomes so confused, so manipulated, and so trapped inside her frame that by the time reality finally reveals itself, he's already lost months, sometimes years. And the worst part? He usually blames himself, because she made sure he would. So I want you to watch this entire video, not just for the lies themselves, but for the order they appear in, because understanding that sequence is just as important as understanding the lies. Stay with me. This is where things start getting real. You've been patient, and I respect that, because what I'm about to show you is the part most videos completely leave out, the part that actually changes the way you see relationships.